Hello there. If you work to earn a living, then you should hear this. Waking up to another day of work can be a daunting daily task, especially with all the stress that goes along with it. Has it crossed your mind that owning your own online business is the way out, where you can work from the comfort of your home at your pace and at any time? You see, I suffered a condition that caused a lot of stress, which led me to taking medication every single day for years. I could not function without medication, to the extent that after my graduation, I was scared to apply for a job for fear of being fired as a result of taking too many days off. I was also concerned about my future if I did not have a regular and viable source of income, and I wondered what would become of my family. Due to the unpredictable nature of the stress condition, I tried multi-level marketing, which offered me a flexible work schedule. But I still had to drive long distances for appointments. And, coupled with the cold calling process and facing of rejection from people who did not want to be disturbed or were not even interested. Needless to say that this was another trigger for the stress I was trying to avoid, and I gradually realized that the multi-level marketing was not a best fit for me. Sometime later, I watched a video where the speaker talked about how the online business saved his marriage and that he ran the online business from his home. Wow, this caught my attention. He offered me a set of free videos which I watched with keen interest as I had nothing to lose, and I thought to myself, this could be the game changer for me. And sure enough, it was. Through the videos, I was introduced to my mentor who took me step by step through the online training. He and his business partner have built a proven business system that has helped people transition into the digital economy. This system uses two business models where you own and sell your products, or you choose to promote and sell other people's products. You can have the same opportunity by clicking the Learn More link below and providing your name and email address. 3 things I found out were that firstly, it was a proper online training academy that had been around for a decade, offering organized training sessions to thousands of students, so I figured this cannot be a scam. Secondly, I discovered that I did not have to reinvent the wheel, even though I was starting from scratch with no online experience whatsoever. Thirdly, I could work from anywhere at any time as long as I had my laptop, phone, and good internet. This doused my fears, and I was so excited to know that there was no need for cold calling, rental space, staff, logistics, and such things associated with a traditional business. I was ready to learn new skills, overcome my limiting beliefs and challenges, and take action to change my life. Now I have a sense of fulfillment and earn money working for myself. I'm no longer under any obligation to work for and build someone else's dreams. And best of all, even with a stress-related condition, I can work at my pace from anywhere and on any day of my choice. Honestly, I feel liberated. If you connect with my story and feel you're ready to make the change, click the Learn More button, provide your name and email address, and I'll send you the same video series that got me started. This video series will link you to podcasts, tips, and valuable information that can help you gradually make the shift. If after watching the video series, you feel you do not want to pursue your dreams through online business, you can unsubscribe at any time. I wish you all the best in your decision. Stay blessed, inspired, and grateful.